Hey guys, this is Sean again here at Kelly Lakeland, bringing you our feature truck of the week. This week we're going to bring a diesel. It's a Duramax 2008 Chevy 4-wheel drive. As you can see, truck's got a lot of extra equipment. Got a 6-inch lift, 35-inch tires, 20x10 rims. Got custom bumper up front with the winch, HID lights. Truck's in great shape. For those of you that's looking for a diesel, and a lifted diesel, and not wanting to spend that $50,000, $55,000, $58,000, sometimes up to $60,000 for them, here's your truck. Truck's clean, a lot of extras, interior is nice, miles is excellent. So for those wanting to get a little bit less of a payment on a diesel, or wanting to spend a little bit less if you're buying outright, here's your truck. Give us a call, 863-937-9299.